What's up, everybody? How y'all doing? Wanted to just do a quick off the norm video. Well, not really. It's van life. As y'all know, I got the DC to DC hookup, the lifetime battery charger thingy. I don't know the names. I'm not perfect. The piece, it's the DC to DC where it runs off the battery. I have it hooked up under the seat, goes through to the battery, charges. Was having issues, before having to unplug, reset it, plug it. Well, starting to have issues with it. Just, I don't know. I couldn't explain it. Just wasn't charged. I tried doing the unplugging, plug, only to come find out today through a van build company here in Wisconsin that the connector from the under the seat where the getting the power from the motor, it was no good. So what happened was, I figured it was, I didn't know, I thought it was the system itself. Again, I don't know the names. I'll figure it out. Waiting to get a quote. Went into the company, said, hey, explained it. He went out, came out and looked, unplugged it, the hookup from under the seat where the power comes. Come to find out, the connector piece wasn't connecting, and it was burnt. It melted, and it was no good. So instead of selling me a new one, which I wanted to do anyway, he got rid of the connector and hardwired it together. Hopefully that solves the problem. Under here, with all the ambulance and stuff, it has the wiring, and where it's hooked up here hooks up to, gets power from the alternator, runs up into the little power system, then runs into the battery, which is there, which you can see goes there. In fact, come around here, I will show a little bit better, which I should have done in the first place. It's hot, like muggy hot. It's been raining on and off. Hold on. But if you see, that is the piece that goes from under the seat, which has the power from the alternator going to that, and then it goes into the battery. Well, that battery, right? That's the line there that goes up to that, and then it goes into the battery behind the seat. Sorry for the horrible camera work. But yeah, got that fixed. He hardwired that and eliminated the plug. Now I have power. And I told, he just, got a customer for life here in Elkhorn, and he just had to move shops. It's a company called Nowhere Vans in Elkhorn, Wisconsin, and I don't know, I'll probably get in trouble with you. That's the company right there. You can pause it, take a screenshot and all that stuff. But they are in Elkhorn, Wisconsin. Nowhere Vans. And it's nowhere. It's two words, but two words put together. capital N-O, capital W-H-E-R-E, Vans. Go check them out if you're in the Midwest or up in Wisconsin. They're awesome. You know, they just got into a new shop. They had to move over one because of a fire from another company that's there. But he could have easily told me, oh, well, you know, you're gonna have to have a whole new, you know, battery and this and that, and it's gonna cost you $1,000. But he fixed it for me. It's what I have for the system for DC to DC is lower end. Do I want to upgrade? You dang right I do. And I fully plan on it. When I get the money, have them do a full, you know, solar, DC to DC, the whole nine. I'd love to, and I know I said that I was going to keep the ambulance look the way it is, but I want to keep all this here, but all this, I'm whitening it out, all of this right here I'd love to pull, but keep this top part, yank all this out, put new wall, have this sled back, have the bed going this way, get me more. But to the company, you've seen the shot on the map on Google Maps, but yeah, check them out. They helped me out and they got a customer for life. So yeah, just a quick video. Got my DC to DC back. So that's about it. I'm gonna go sweat my butt off in this humid weather and all that. So if you're new to the channel, please tap on that subscribe button, like button, comment, and all that stuff, and come join the weirdo chaos. To my son, I love you. You're the best. You're the greatest. Love life, live life, enjoy life, and stay weird. Till next time, stay weird.